We are going to be doing a walkthrough of our 2B floor plan. Go ahead and head inside. Right away, you notice that there is an alarm system that does come in every home. Go ahead and close this door. And immediately to your right, you will have a storage closet. Plenty of space to hang up your coats and store items. And you do have a little shelf as well. And immediately next to that, we do have a small little cutout for your laundry. We do have full-size washer and dryers that are in every unit. You do have a light switch as well as a fan. And then you can go ahead and close these doors if you want to block out any of the sound coming from the washer and dryer. And also next to the front door, you have this little nook that you can use as a desk or a little bar area. You have nice cabinets with deep shelving, as well as 2 drawers to store supplies, pencils, keys. And across from your desk, you will have a ceiling to floor pantry with plenty of shelving. And stepping into your kitchen, you can see you have a nice long island, as well as a stainless steel refrigerator and freezer. And in the freezer, there is an ice maker, so you will be able to make ice at home. And you have plenty of storage in your refrigerator, 2 drawers down there, and plenty of shelving on the door. You'll also have a stainless steel dishwasher. As well as a ceramic top oven, a full-size oven, so you can do plenty of baking, as well as a stainless steel microwave. So heading into the living room, plenty of space for a sectional, or as we have, a chair as well as a sofa. There is carpet in the living area. And we of course have a mounted TV playing some sports. Going out to our patio, plenty of sitting room. You can entertain out here, have dinner on a nice spring night. And then we do have storage as well in the patio area. And then heading back into our home, nice view of the kitchen and the full-size island. We will go ahead and go into our guest bathroom. And before that, you do have plenty of storage for bath towels, cleaning supplies. Very deep, so you have plenty of room to store everything. This is our guest bathroom. Nice sliding glass door for the shower and tub combo. Plenty of counter space as well. And then heading into our guest bedroom, there's a ceiling fan with lights and plenty of space for a nice sized queen bed, as well as a dresser. And then our closet opens up. Tons of space in here. Goes pretty far back. And you will have a mirrored closet as well. That is ceiling to floor. Then heading across the way, back out into our living area. We'll head into our master bedroom, which immediately off to the side, you do have the ceiling to floor pantry space for extra sheets, linens, or just general storage. And this is our nice big room. Plenty of space for a queen or a queen. And this is our walk-in closet. Tons of hanging area for your clothes, as well as shelves for storage. And you do have shelving behind the door as well. So that is our master closet. And then heading into our bathroom, we have a walk-in shower, tons of space, and we do have little soap holders in there, and then tons of ample counter space. That is our walkthrough of our 2B model apartment.